When VFDs are running at multiple speeds, now you can have a basis to actually trend all the harmonics based on the actual gearing associated with that system. So this is an example of an elevator loose belt. Specific harmonic is 0.71 of line frequency. And you'll notice back in April of 21, we had baselined the system, and over time this starts to trend upwards. We send an alert to the facility guys go check it out. Yes, indeed, we've got a loose belt on our hands. They perform maintenance, and the harmonic comes back down to baseline.
Improve your peace of mind. Contact Volta Insight today.